Are you a new trader here in Canada, feeling completely overwhelmed by all the information out there? Are you tired of watching these Forex reviews from all over the world, only to realize that the advice doesn't even apply to us here? And let's be honest, what about that biggest fear? That you'll pick some shady, unregulated broker and your hard-earned money just disappears? Look, the number one mistake that almost all new Canadian traders make is picking the wrong broker right out of the gate. But don't you worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 3 absolute best Forex brokers specifically for Canadians, fully regulated and optimized for your success. You're going to want to stick around for this, because what I'm about to share will save you a ton of time, money, and headaches. All right, let's get into it. Before we jump into our top picks, there is one golden rule you absolutely need to burn into your memory when you're trading here in Canada. That rule is that your broker must be regulated by CIRO. Now, CIRO stands for the Canadian Investment Regulatory Organization. The easiest way to think of them is as the financial police for brokers in Canada. They are the ones who make sure your money is kept safe in separate accounts, that the broker operates fairly, and that they follow all of Canada's strict rules. It is the ultimate seal of safety, and every single broker we're talking about today has their approval. Okay, with that covered, let's break down our top 3. Starting with my number 1 recommendation for anyone just getting started. Number 1, Oanda, the safest entry point for newcomers. Alright, so if you are brand new to this world of Forex, Oanda is, in my opinion, your best bet. They've been around forever, they're incredibly trusted, and they've made their entire experience perfect for beginners. So, let's talk about what makes them so good. First off, that security I just mentioned? Oanda is fully regulated by CIRO, so you can check that box with confidence and sleep well at night. But maybe the best part, and this is huge for anyone just starting out, is their deposit policy. They have absolutely no minimum deposit. That's right, $0. This means you can get started with just $50 or $100 just to get a feel for real trading without having to put up a huge amount of cash. And when it comes to actually placing a trade, their own Oanda trade platform is just clean. It's not cluttered with a million things you don't need yet. It's intuitive. Of course, for those of you who've heard of it, they also fully support MT4, which stands for MetaTrader 4, probably the most famous trading platform in the world. So you have a choice. So, what's the catch? Is there a downside? Well, to be perfectly honest, if you were a professional trading millions of dollars, their costs, which come from the spread, might not be the absolute rock-bottom cheapest. But for 99% of new traders, the difference is tiny, and what you get in return, that safety, ease of use, and no deposit requirement, is so much more valuable. Bottom line, if you want that simple, no barrier, and ultra-safe start, you go with Oanda. Number 2, Interactive Brokers, IBKR, the choice for serious, cost-conscious traders. Okay, so what happens when you've got the basics down, and you're ready to get serious about minimizing your costs? That brings us to our number 2 pick, Interactive Brokers, or IBKR, as most traders call them. This is the broker you graduate into. This is the professional's choice. Now, the main reason traders flock to IBKR is one thing: the absolute lowest costs in the business. And here's how they do it. They give you the raw price of a currency, the direct interbank spread, which is razor thin, and they just charge you a tiny transparent commission on the side. When you trade a lot, this model saves you a huge amount of money compared to others. And what about their tech? Their main platform is called the Trader Workstation, or TWS. Now, it is a powerhouse, built for pros. But they also know not everyone needs that, so their modern web platform and their mobile app are sleek, user-friendly, and perfect for most people. So, what's the trade-off for those super low costs? Well, that professional TWS platform can be a bit intimidating at first. Let's be real, it has a learning curve, so you have to be willing to spend a little bit of time learning your way around. So, if you're serious about your trading journey, you want the lowest possible costs, and you're willing to learn a professional-grade platform, IBKR is your champion. Number 3, Questrade, the all-in-one solution for Canadians. Alright, our third pick is a little different. This one is for a specific type of investor, and it's a name every Canadian knows: Questrade. Now, Questrade is famous for stock market investing, but they also have a solid Forex offering, and their biggest benefit is convenience. Here's what I mean. If you're a Canadian who also invests in stocks or ETFs, Questrade lets you have everything under one roof. You can manage your Forex account right alongside your RRSP, that's your Registered Retirement Savings Plan, and your TFSA, which is your tax-free savings account. It makes seeing your entire financial picture incredibly easy. For platforms, they use the reliable and familiar MT4, so you'll feel right at home. So what's the main hurdle with Questrade? The biggest thing you'll want to pay attention to here is the minimum deposit. They require 1,000 Canadian dollars to get started. So, for someone wanting to just test the waters with a small amount, this can be a significant barrier. But if you're a Canadian investor who already has other investments and you just love the idea of keeping everything managed in one place with a trusted Canadian company, Questrade is a fantastic choice. So, there you have it. A complete breakdown of the top 3 Forex brokers for new traders here in Canada. Let's just quickly recap one last time. Are you brand new and want safety, simplicity, and no big deposit? You go with Oanda. Are you serious about low costs and ready to learn like a pro? You go with Interactive Brokers. Are you a Canadian investor looking for that all-in-one convenience? You go with Questrade. And now, for the most important piece of advice I can give you before you do anything else. Please, start with a demo account. Before you deposit a single real dollar, spend a couple of weeks trading with fake money on the platform you choose. It is 100% free, and it is the best way to build your confidence without any of the risk. Alright, so here's how you can get started right now. I have personally gathered the official, safe, and reputable registration links for all 3 of these brokers, and I've put them right in the description below this video. When you use those links, it ensures you're going to the correct, official website, and it's also a fantastic and free way to support the channel, which allows us to keep making helpful content just like this for you. If you have any questions at all, drop a comment below. I promise I will read them and get back to you. And finally, if you got any value out of this video, it would mean the world to me if you hit that like button and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next. Thanks so much for watching and happy trading!